So I just got in the car a couple minutes ago. The time right now is currently 9:47 a.m. The date is October 11th, and I will be in this car until 9:40 tomorrow morning. I got in this car at 9:40. I started a live stream like a little bit before 9:40 just so that if you guys want to see proof that I started this at 9:40, it's in the live stream. Now I'm actually on my way out to my mom's house. Shout out, Mom. Mom!
Hello! Can I come in?
Yeah. Mom, you're in the challenge.
What a setup.
Yep. I wish this was brighter.
Hi, Adam, Carson, anybody
this
who's
is
on?
this is the live stream.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not the live stream.
My window a little bit
just to
then.
save some gas. You know,
Yeah, I agree.
gas.
It is a lot of gas.
And a lot of data.
Yeah, that's the bummer.
What's the deal with the data we're gonna be?
Oh, here we go. I'm getting yelled at for live streaming.
Yes, you are, because are you telling everybody how you're gonna be going to the bathroom and stuff?
I mean, I'm trying to avoid the topic. Literally the first thing someone asked is like, how are you gonna go to the bathroom? And I was just like, boys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I got a jug.
You're in trouble if something else happens.
I know. I thought about that. I was like, oh boy. Drive? You wanna drive? Look. Yeah. Should we honk the horn?
Saturday.
Here, push here, push here. Yeah, both hands, both hands. So as you guys can see, we got some visitors now. We're having fun, we're hanging out. Big Mustang guy. Big car guy, big future car guy.
Label.
Is it gonna fit?
Yeah, it's gonna fit.
Oh my lord. Unboxing video. Here it is. This is the good top tape swipe. That's what I like to call it. Oh, there's a box within a box. Top tape swipe. All right, boys, first impressions. We got a piece of foam. Thank you, mother. That's it.
Store.
I don't really know. Oh, there we go. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what it is. It's like a safe. It's like a lock box, like a safe box. Do if you want. Now she's locked. See? Jesus. This is
You want me to put it in the trunk?
No, I'll just throw it back here.
Hi, it's a great day at Chick-fil-A. My name's Nyla. How may I serve you?
Could I please just have the number 3? You boys better be fired up. I'm about to dunk in some Chick-fil-A sauce, man. Just a GTR cruising by. Just for a time update, it is 12:40, so it has been now, what is that, 3 hours? And so far, it's been okay. Like, I just said it felt like it's been longer than 3 hours, but like it's not like I'm bored or anything. Like, I'm sitting here, I'm managing a live stream right now, and just like hanging out with them and talking to the live stream guys, it's actually been pretty entertaining, so like it's not like I'm getting bored at all. Boys, here we are at the lake. Check this place out. Okay, oh shit, oh god, oh no, okay. Alright, okay. It's really windy, so this is kind of difficult. Here we go. First cast, boys. Alright, we're in. Alright, that was a better cast. But for you who asked what's going on here, I'm a dude, I'm in my car, 24 hours, and I'm fishing. Okay. Ugh. FTB. Bro. No. What just happened? You've got to be kidding me, dude. My line snapped. Oh no, this is a mess. Oh no. Boys, on the vlog, my line just snapped. I am so bummed. Dude, that's so annoying. I have another lure. I guess this is probably a good time for me to tell you guys some cool news. I am going to be doing a giveaway. I am going to give away... Alright boys, I'm going to go over this giveaway right now outside of this video. I'm editing it right now. I just realized that I was kind of just fricked in the head while I was talking about this, and I totally winged it. So I'm going to give you guys like official details on the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 hats. They're a Bass Pro Shop style hat. I don't have them yet because unfortunately I hit 1,000 subscribers way faster than I expected to. I just ordered them today, which is the day before the video is going to be up. They said that it might take like 2 weeks to get the hats. However, I plan to announce the winners 1 week from the day of this video going up. All you have to do to be entered in this giveaway is like this video, thumbs up, also subscribe to my channel, and then the winners have to DM me on Instagram. So if you guys do want to be entered in this, you gotta watch the next video too. Sorry, I know I don't mean to like string you guys on, but that's just the best way to do it. If one of you guys is chosen and I don't receive a DM within 48 hours, I'm gonna repick, and I will be doing that on my Instagram. Following my Instagram is the way to go. It'll be in the description down below. I'm also gonna be putting a picture of the hats on my Instagram account as soon as I get them in. I'll also have a post announcing the winners on my Instagram. So if you guys just wanna stay up to date with the giveaway, I suggest you follow my Instagram. You don't have to though. The hats are free. I'll ship them to you. No shipping costs, nothing. It's all on me. I got you. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, we're gonna get back to the scheduled programming. Are you trying to put out bait for more views? Yeah, man, I'm reeling in the views right now. So I'm not fishing anymore. I'm home now. I decided that I just wanted to chill for a little bit. Right now, I'm just setting up the car. I'm just like testing out my sleeping situation. I want to see if I can fit and if it's comfortable. All right, vlog boys, so we're set up back here. Check this out. It's actually really comfy. Like living in this car right now is pretty luxury. It's 3:50 now. It's almost 4 p.m. So only like 2.5 more hours to like go get dinner. Guys, Kearney's here now.
What's up?
What's up? What? Hi, my name is John. I'm calling to see if I can place an order for carryout.
Yeah, absolutely. Can I have the phone number?
Yeah, it'll be. What's your phone number? But I actually have I kind of have like a special request, and like I hate to do this to you guys, but I have a YouTube channel and I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm doing a challenge where I'm locking myself in my car for 24 hours. So I'm actually calling you from your parking lot. I was just wondering if you guys would be willing to just like walk it out to my car.
That's possible. Let me just go talk to my manager real fast to make sure that's fine. And doable, but I'll just be right back.
Okay, thank you very much. I just don't want to waste your time.
Alright, that should actually be fine as long as I can get your card like before we bring it out.
Yeah, 100%.
For sure, man. Then the 7 boneless honey barbecue, 17 boneless Parmesan garlic, and the 2 ranches bring the total to 1848. Be right about 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay, yeah, cool. How's it going? Thank you so much.
No problem. You got the pen?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Here you go.
No problem. Have a good one, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
You should sponsor Yonny.
Facts. I would smack on some Buffalo Wild Wings sponsorships. You have no idea. Kearney doesn't like Chick-fil-A sauce. This is my food.
Unboxing.
Unboxing video. Oh! Alright.
That's unexpected.
Go.
Invest in my AK, I just got a new stock, yeah. Fakers talking, gonna scoot down the block, yeah. Gonna pull up, hit you with the Glock, yeah. Hand switching, gonna make it tick-tock, yeah.
That was the cringiest thing. And it literally
Invest in my AK, got a new stock.
Alright boys, I know it's dark. It is about 9:50 at night. PM, you know, nighttime, central time. And I'm going to set up my bed back there, and I'm going to try to get to sleep. Thank you guys for watching to this point. I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. I plan to go watch the sunrise. All right, boys. I'll see you in the morning. I slept pretty well last night. I just got up a little bit ago. I was freezing cold, so I wanted to get up, start the car, and just go for a drive, I guess. I have a little under 4 hours left to go in this challenge. However, I do want to share with you guys, I want to be upfront with you guys and honest. I did get out of my car for about 8 minutes to go to the bathroom. I had no choice. I was about to be sick. I went to the bathroom, so I'm adding 8 minutes to the challenge just so that I can be honest about it. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I wanted to stay in the car the whole entire time. but I didn't really have a choice. So I did get out for 8 minutes. I'm adding that 8 minutes to the challenge. I'm at the lake. It's 6:26 in the morning. Got here pretty quick, I think. And sun looks like it's coming up.
How's it going in here?
What's up, David? How you doing?
I'm doing great, dude. Like, this is like lit. Dude, you picked me up, actually.
I mean, I told him last night at like 9:20 that I was gonna drive him to school, and he didn't believe me.
But you're here. Yes.
I always pull through.
All right, thank you, John.
Bye, son. Have a good day at school. I'm so freaking bored. I just want this to be over now. It's 8:43 in the morning, so I have a little over an hour left to go. I'm stopping by Starbucks, waiting in this ginormous line just to get a coffee. May I please have a tall caramel macchiato, just hot?
I'm sorry, a tall, hot caramel macchiato, is that correct?
Yep.
Anything else?
That's it.
Thank you very much. Come on around.
Thank you. Live stream and vlog. I'm going to tell you guys the story of what happened to me last weekend with going to Tuner Revolution, and kind of, I thought of a new slogan. I thought of my slogan, or like my motto. Like, everyone has their motto. Evan Shanks, be victorious. TJ Hunt, keep moving forward. A smaller YouTuber that I watched named Royce, he has one called Build Humbly. I thought of mine. Essentially, this past weekend I went to Tuner Evolution, which is a tuner car show. TJ Hunt was there. I probably wouldn't have gone to this car show had TJ Hunt not been coming to visit. I found out about the fact that he was coming a very long time ago. I really thought it would be a really good opportunity for this channel and for me as a person to meet this guy, and I wanted to buy tickets, and I almost bought them immediately. Like, I was gonna just straight up buy the tickets and go no matter what, like right when I found out about it. However, I remembered that I had plans to go to Michigan State University that same weekend. So TJ was gonna be at Tuner Evo on Sunday. I was gonna be at Michigan State University Friday and Saturday and come home Sunday. With that being said, I had to get up on Sunday. If I was gonna go, I would have had to get up on Sunday at 8 in the morning, drive 4 hours to get to Tuner Evo. It started at 12, and wait in like a 3.5 hour line to meet this guy. When I thought about that, I kind of talked myself out of it a little bit. I kind of talked myself out of going to meet TJ Hunt, like the guy that inspires me on YouTube. And I almost decided not to go. I was seriously contemplating, like, do I really want to go through waking up that early? Do I really want to go through having to drive after being out drinking the night before? Like, I was hungover that morning. Like, do I really want to do it? I still hadn't bought the tickets. Come Friday, the Friday before the car show, I still had not bought the tickets. I'm driving up to Michigan State with my girlfriend Kearney, and I'm in the passenger seat, she's driving, and I'm just asking her, I'm like, should we really go? Like, do we really, is it worth it? And I was really questioning it. We got to we were driving to Michigan State, and she tells me, she's like, John, you have to do this. You need to do this for your channel. This might be some of the best advice Kearney's ever given me. Just, she told me, basically, stop being a baby. You know what you need to do it. I was like, wow, okay. All right, if you're really that serious and you want to support me like that, because I didn't want to put her having to wait in that line too. I knew it was going to be difficult for her as well. She's like, I will do that for you. She's like, I'm supporting you 100%. You need to do this. And I was like, you know, I was like really happy, and like I felt really supported, and like I was like, wow, okay. So I decided to do it. Bought the tickets on the way to Michigan State, and we woke up that Sunday morning, 8 in the morning. We drove home to Tuner Evo. We didn't even come home first. We literally went straight to the car show. We walked around, we saw the cars. I started filming a really cool video. You know, I got really cool like cinematic shots. Some of you guys have probably seen it. A lot of you guys subscribed from that video. Anyway, I waited in line for 3.5 hours with Kearney to meet TJ Hunt. And my whole goal, my whole plan was to have TJ, I wanted to meet Calvin, talk to him, and then I wanted to meet TJ and have him be in my video. I wanted him to do my outro. When I met TJ, shook his hand, I had him sign my camera. He did my outro. We shook hands, and I left, and that was it. It was maybe like a 45-second process. It was like a 45-second thing of meeting this guy. And I left there, and I was like shaking. I was so nervous, and I was so happy that I did that. And like, I just felt so proud that like I did that. Like I set a goal, and I achieved that goal. So anyway, I know the story's long. but I'm getting to the point here. I went home that night and I just hung out. I kind of just took a couple minutes, couple hours, whatever, to kind of collect myself and just like kind of recap everything. And the next day I came home from work or whatever I was doing, and I just started editing. I just started grinding to get that video done because I needed to get it out as fast as possible because I knew he was going to be uploading his video on Tuner Evo that very same day. So I'm editing, and I realized that TJ Hunt's video is going to come out in about an hour. He uploads every day at 4 o'clock. So I'm sitting there and I'm like, wow, dude, I need to somehow, you know, I kind of just wanted to reach out to him and like say thank you. I had sent him a DM on Instagram prior to this and he didn't respond. I mean, I figured that would be the case. He probably gets so many DMs, but I basically just copied the message that I sent him to Instagram. It was like a personal message. It wasn't, you know, it was like a very personal thing. If you guys want to see it, it's on his video titled Bad News for the Supra. It's the top comment. If you guys want to see the comment, feel free to check it out. I copied and pasted that comment onto his video. I added a few things to it. What happened next was overwhelming. Every time that I would refresh his video page, my comment had more and more likes. All of a sudden, subscribers started rolling in like crazy. While I was at Michigan State over the weekend, I was at a bar and I'd been drinking. My friend Ken was having someone like draw tattoos on his arm with a pen. And I went over and I took his pen and I wrote on my hand, right here on my palm, right here, it's not on there now, but I wrote on my hand, plan, execute, attain. That's all I wrote. I wrote plan, execute, attain. Back to Monday night, subscribers are rolling in. Everything's going great. I'm super happy. I call up Kern Dog and I'm like, hey, you wanna go get dinner? She's like, yeah. So I get in the shower and I'm getting ready to take her to dinner and I start scrubbing the pen. I started scrubbing it off of my hand and I look at it and I don't know, I just got really emotional all of a sudden. I didn't like cry. It was like, it was joy. It was happiness. Like I was so proud because I looked at that and I said, I just did that. I don't know. It's just so hard to put into words like how I was feeling. I literally watched that play out. I made a plan to go see TJ Hunt and make this video. I was planning for the video to do well for me. I executed it. I met him. I got it done. I put it in the video. I put the video up. I posted the comment. I executed the whole plan and I attained the goal. I attained that positive outcome. That's exactly what I was looking for. That system worked for me. I did it, but I realized that one thing was missing. One thing from that plan that I wrote on my hand was missing. And I know why. When I was at Michigan State, I wasn't sure if I was gonna go. I was second guessing myself. I was not committed to that plan. So I added something to it. I realized what the one thing that was missing was. It was commitment. Plan, commit, execute, attain. That's the formula. That's the formula for success. At least that's what I found. I didn't just make this up one day. Plan, commit, execute, attain. This came to me. This was given to me. I don't know how. I don't know why this happened to me. It just feels really good. It just feels right. Like that just feels right, man. Like I just figured I'd share that. I'm probably not gonna talk about this in another video for a really, really long time. So you guys that are seeing this video, you guys that are seeing this live stream, you guys are probably the only ones that are gonna know this. You guys are probably gonna be the only ones who know the meaning behind this. For the next years, the next couple years, man, like people are gonna be seeing my videos and they're not gonna know why I say that slogan, but you guys will. Thank you for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys in the live stream for hanging out with me. I'm not complacent, man. We're going way further. We're taking this way past 1,000. So I only have a little bit of time left on this. Oh! Let's go! We out! Everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for coming with me on this journey. I did it. I just need to like walk around for a second. My legs feel weird.
Okay.
I know, I don't really have much to say right now. That was a crazy experience. I guess all I have to say right now is thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And as I always say, plan, commit, execute, and attain. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.